Park the canoe. Have a super awesome. How do I get across? Ooh. Can I go across? Oh, that was a cool spot. Oh, so cool. So green. Careful. You scare me with sounds like that, man.
No. Something came up and tasted me.
No. Don't tell me that either. Something came up and tasted me. Oh no. I have shiny stuff on. Sheep. Oh, you already started?
Yeah.
I'm scared. It's the first time getting wet.
Check this out.
Deep.
Check that out. It's like perfect media. Grab that, grab that, grab that. To your right.
Oh. Grab that, grab that. I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I can feel like...
Perfect gravel.
Yeah.
You want to set the bag on top of this?
Yeah. Oh, I think I saw something there. I think I saw a tooth. I think I saw a tooth.
Don't excite me.
I think I saw a tooth. Yep. Oh no, it's a leaf. Damn it.
It's all good. I'm a good hunter. I'll find
Yeah, it looked like totally looked like a tooth. All right. Try again. You want to try a little shovel?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like perfect.
Come back here, you. Alright.
I'm trying to use this as a table.
That's what I was trying to do. One hand sifting. Give me something. We need like a little anchor for this thing.
Yeah. Well, that's what I had the rope
for.
You found something?
No. Well, yes, kind of. Look, tiny, tiny, tiny tooth.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Still need a bag or something here. I'm gonna use the shovel for now. Put that on there.
That's a good idea.
Little find. Come on, give me the big teeth. Anyone wants a tooth, you PayPal me right now. Yeah. Oh, I see a little one. Little tooth again. Little tooth. That would be a cute nickname.
What's that?
Little tooth.
Little land before time dinosaur.
Yeah. Little foot. Ooh, what's that weird thing? Always find the little teeth. Found like one big tooth last time.
A lot of wood in this one.
Oh, found a little tooth again. More little teeth.
Hey, don't let us go to wet.
I know. I was just thinking about cutting a piece of that rope and tying it to my bathing suit or something.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Wood.
Stop floating.
What a nut.
Oh, I found another tooth. Little bean. Sea bean?
Yep. Well,
freshwater bean?
I gotta dump this on the big sifter.
Do it up.
There's too much wood in here.
We need like a box to put fines in.
Yeah. That's what the bucket's for.
That's what the bucket's for?
Yep. Move the shovel stick.
Let me turn this off.